Hello dear students, welcome to this video. Here we present to you an actual IP Math question from a recent paper. The question we have today is from the English section. It is a verbal ability question and it is from IP Math Indore 2023. Okay, we have several videos where we discuss one actual question from recent IP Maths, so that you know what to expect in the actual exam and you can refine your preparation. Now this question, let us read the instructions. One of the statements below contains a word used incorrectly or inappropriately. Choose the option which has the incorrect or inappropriate usage of the word. So this is called word usage. It is a very common question type. It has appeared in IP Maths over the years, especially in Indore. Okay. So, when you read all the 4 sentences, you will see one word being repeated. Sometimes they may give all 4 different words also. Okay. And you have to find the sentence in which any word has been used wrongly. But the more common pattern is the same word is used in 4 sentences, but in one of them it would be used wrongly. Fine. So let us read the sentences. When you look at all the sentences, we can see the repeated word is climatic. Climatic means what? All of us know. Climatic means related to the climate. Now let us read. Under certain climatic conditions, hailstorms are formed in the atmosphere, resulting in unexpected accidents. That is correct. The sentence is correct. So, we are looking for the incorrect sentence. That is why I put a cross there. Okay, sentence is correct. Our products have to function in extreme weather conditions, which is why we put them through climatic testing related to the climate. See, they have said weather conditions. So, we know this is also appropriate. The passengers in the bus were sweating profusely because of the hot climatic conditions. Obviously, that is also correct. The climatic moment of the match was when the captain got caught behind the wicket. How is that related to the climate? Is there any connection? No. What are they talking about? They are talking about the climax of the match. Okay, the climax of the match, and hence the adjectival form is climactic. Climactic moment. Hence the error is in sentence D. You got it? So here you need to brush up your vocabulary so that you can quickly identify the wrong usage. Okay, so word usage is essentially a vocabulary question. So keep practicing and we will be back with more such useful videos. Thank you.